very nice day, bright and sunny. But it's just like a light bulb though. Still very, very cold. Got some errands to do. Gonna go fix my phone. Freaking crap the shit out of it. Again, I don't deserve new phones. Screen doesn't even work, but gotta get it done. Can't be doing too much shenanigans. Gonna be sticking mostly to the streets today. Gonna be taking my Lynx and provide some pedal riding tips too. Alright, so a lot of people have been thinking that the LeaperKim Lynx has really high pedal height. That is true. Not a lot of people get used to it because it wobbles. Coming from an S22 as my first wheel, the wobbles are real. But there are many ways that you can do about it, such as carving, like this. Alright, let's talk about foot placement. As you can see here, this is my pad setup. My left foot is slightly forward than my right foot, because my left foot is my dominant foot. You always want to put your dominant foot slightly forward.
By doing this, you'd reduce the chance of wobbles significantly, especially when you lean your wheel against the side of one of your legs like you're holding onto it, and you would alternate with your other leg as needed, like you would when carving or making a turn.
Yeah, so many people think that to speed up, you gotta lean forward. That's not true. Well, it is, but it's not the best way to go about maneuvering your wheel, because most people, they just throw their upper body weight around, and it can really throw some people's balance off if you're not careful. But if you apply proper footwork like this is my dominant foot. You see how I'm speeding up by tippy-toeing and pushing the upper part of my foot against my power pad. You only need to do it on one foot, and your other foot, make sure your calves are leaning against the brake pad for stability.
So in essence, use your dominant foot to control speed and your other foot to stabilize the wheel. Throw your body weight around only when you feel 100% in control.
You lean back by pressing your heel. You saw there was a little bit of a wobble just then, but no worries.
If you try to hold the wheel with both your legs, you'd actually make the wobbles worse, so don't fight it.
Okay, I said I'd stay on the streets mostly, but I am not giving up on a nice full grassy hill. Any grass patches for that matter. Whoopah. Yep. All right, let's be good boys and girls here. Just sometimes, you know. All right. First destination, pharmacy. Alright, that's it for the pharmacy. Only been 11 kilometers. Man, it's been very windy these days. The sun may be shining, but it does not prove it's the best condition to ride in. See, the beauty with Powerknobz is it allows for very, very comfortable seated riding because you don't have any shin pads in the way. You can just lock in with your feet inside these thick knobs where you can apply all the torque you need. Just the upper part of your feet above your ankles is enough for you to get incredible speed, especially on the Lynx. Hurontario, here we come. We're gonna go all the way up.
So let's talk about street riding. For most people, the smooth, hard surfaces of asphalt and concrete provide a very comfortable riding experience. But in all likelihood, you'll be riding with cars, lots of cars, which can obviously be risky if you are not mindful.
Let's go. Just like with riding a motorcycle, situational awareness is key. Pay attention to all the lights and all the signs. In places like this, where cops likely are, you don't want to take any chances.
Plus, not every city is accommodating to PEVs, so it's best to check with your city's bylaws. From my experience in Ontario, as long as you're respectful and not do anything stupid or crazy, the cops will leave you alone.
This is another reason why riding the EUC is the preferred way to go. Look at me filter. I can filter so much better than motorcycles. Oop. All the cagers stuck in traffic, and I just zip through them like it's no biggie. Oops, let's go up here. Just remember, you are small, not quite visible. When you're among lots of cars, it's best to stand up, make yourself tall, even though I am not tall at all. Alright, I'll admit, this area is not too bad. Mississauga sure has some very lovely and interesting looking architecture here. I'd like to imagine that if you live in a nice looking city like, say, Barcelona or something, city riding would probably be a lot more fun. Almost 20 kilometers so far. Almost a third of battery through. Not too bad, considering how cold it is. Really gotta watch my speed. Why didn't I go to a phone repair place a bit closer to home? Well, because I'm cheap. And this one is supposed to have a pretty decent price to fix the screen of an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's see here. Alright. Wrong fixed. A little bit of an ordeal, but No problem. Let's go home. Cheers. Man, riding against the wind sure sucks. Yeah, when it's windy, it's best to ride seated. If you don't know how to ride seated yet, please start practicing. It's not hard, it's just something you gotta get used to. From standing to just slowly park your behind down. No biggie. I'm not sure there's an actual technique that you gotta practice, but it's as straightforward as they come. Just sit down.
Crunch yourself up like an aerodynamic cannonball to barrel through winds with ease.
But always maintain where your center of gravity is and where you're going. Passing by the riverwood again. Let's go down. Oh, still a little juicy, but off-road is where it's at. It's where I find the most joy. I'm not gonna do too much though. I've already spent quite some time outside. Got some other shit to do at home. Can't pass up a good hill. Let's go this way. And beat the nice stable speed of a Lynx off-road. This is just so good. Okay. This is where I slipped yesterday. Right here. Not about to do that again. I like off-roading. Seeing nature, woodsy trails,
and adrenaline.
Goes right up to Dundas. Come on, let's go. Oh, wow. Right into the chains, why don't we? Let me know what kind of riding you guys like doing more. Street or off-road? I love my Lynx. I just love it. Go anywhere, do anything. Other people's backyards. Yep. I never pass up a good chance to ride some stairs. Woo! Home sweet home. 49 kilometers. 1 kilometer shy of 50. Oh well, let's round it up and call it a 50-kilometer day ride.